The invention of the typewriter marks a significant milestone in the evolution of written communication. Christopher Latham Sholes, an American inventor, developed the first practical typewriter in 1868, revolutionizing the way people wrote and produced documents. Before its existence, writing was a laborious task, relying on pen and paper, often slowing down communication and documentation processes. Sholes's typewriter featured a QWERTY keyboard layout, which remains the standard to this day, despite initial skepticism due to its design and functionality. This innovative device streamlined office work and broadened access to writing, transforming both business environments and personal communication. It essentially paved the way for more advanced typing and computing technologies, showcasing its lasting influence on modern society.